Sean, go around the oval. I need you, for some reason, I need to check you in. Awesome, go ahead, bud. Turn around the other way. Yep, you're good now. You're on your own block, so you're fine.
Behind you.
Go ahead, Sean. No, put him on that right there.
Right.
Real slide there. Real slide there.
Sorry for that confusion, Sean. So you guys all checked in, but for some reason didn't read the signal. All right, guys, everybody's in right now. We got Jody leading the way. We got Ned, Joe, Dennis, Gary, and Sean. Again, Sean, I do apologize for getting all messed up. All right, guys, 3 minutes to go. Jody's leading the way. Henry Joe separated by 1.8. Joe and Dennis 0.7. Dennis and Ned 1.6. We got Gary. We got Sean. Somebody lost the transponder. That was Gary.
Yeah.
Remember, guys, when it comes to these transponders, they're very expensive and they're not replaceable. So if they break, we are SOL. Once all the transponders are gone, you guys will have to buy personal. All right, guys, 2 minutes, 20 seconds to go. Guys, Jody's leading the way. Him and Joe battling out right there. Only separated by 2.9 seconds. We got Dennis on 35, Ned, Sean, and Gary. Right now, 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go. All right, guys, Jody, Dennis, Joe, Ned, Sean, and Gary, guys, that is the order. Go find that is turn TQ to 10.527. Jody's on a faster pace of a 10.521. Dennis on a 10.525. 2.3 back from Jody. Joe's on a 10.529. 2.8 back from Dennis. Ned's on a 9.504. 5.5 back from Joe. Sean's on a 9.532. Gary's on a 9.520. Right now, Jody's got a fast lap of 30.4. Dennis has a 30.6.
Thank you.
Joe's got a 30.7. Ned's on a 32.2. Sean's on a 31.7. Gary's a 35.5. 1 minute left. You guys heard it. 1 minute to go. Up next after this is Joe, Jody, Ned, Mike. 4-wheel drive short course. You guys are up in about 2 minutes. All right, guys, 30 seconds to go. Jody and Dennis separated by 3.5 seconds now. Dennis and Joe separated by 4.9. Ned's a couple seconds back from Joe. We got Sean, we got Gary. That's the order, guys. 20 seconds. Less than 5. All right, guys, that's the race. Please keep going until I tell you it's done. And as usual, remember when you're done, please keep racing so you can pull into the impound area.
Ah!
Car 2 is done.
All right, first one done, Jody. Second one done, Jed.
Car 1
Go
is done.
Carnite.
Car 4 is
Dennis
done.
is done. Waiting on Sean, waiting on Gary.
Car 3 is done.
Sean's done. Gary, when you cross the line, you will be done, buddy. Waiting on Gary, guys.
Again.
All right, Gary's done. Jody takes that. Dennis finishes second. Joe, Dennis, Sean, and Gary. That was good.